Hello and welcome to another product demonstration video. This time we have the Series 6720 retail dispensing units brought to you by Fluidyne Control Systems. After a successful run of nearly 2 decades in dispensing solutions for the automotive industry, Fluidyne Control Systems has now decided to diversify and bring the same reliability of accurate dispensing solutions to the retail sector. This is also partly because of the rising costs of fuel oils and additives, and as their availability declines, the need for accurate dispensing has been more important than ever today. The product was developed mainly for two liquids, that is motor spirit or high-speed diesel as it is commonly called, and diesel exhaust fluid or AdBlue, which is the popular trade name of the liquid. AdBlue is an essential additive which is used for engines manufactured under the Euro 6 and the BS6 norms. However, this dispensing unit is versatile and can be extrapolated to liquids with low densities and low viscosities. For example, we have transformer oil or hydraulic oils or even transmission oils for that matter can be serviced by this dispensing. The dispensing unit is also approved for custody transfer applications since it carries a legal metrology model approval with an accuracy class of 0.3. and also carries all the relevant certifications for EMI and EMC compatibility for tests that have been run for conducted and radiated emissions and susceptibility. The components of this system have been selected with the applications in mind and have been right-sized according to them. Let's take a look at the components in the panel. The first main component starts with the pre-filter element. This filter is basically a 100 micron or a 50 micron mesh which allows the diesel or the incoming liquid to be filtered before entry into the pump and the PD meter. This also safeguards the flow meter from choking due to debris or weld splatter or any other impurities. One of the most important parts of this assembly is the dispensing pump. The pump has two unique features. The first one is that this pump can be used for applications in negative suction as well as positive suction. So by negative suction we mean that if your product is stored in a barrel or an underground tank, this pump will develop enough suction to push the product through the flow meter and give you the desired discharge rate. The second important feature of this pump is that it can be used with water-based liquids, for example AdBlue, and the same pump is also utilized for fuel oil such as diesel. So this is a dual character of this pump that makes it a right fit for this application. Thirdly, the most crucial part of the system is the positive displacement flow meter. This is a completely homegrown technology and uses the time-tested oscillating piston design. This technology is unique because it is one of the few positive displacement flow meters in the world that uses a single moving part to divide the flow stream into small packets in the measurement chamber. The common problems associated with PD meters are high pressure drop due to multiple moving parts. And as a result, the flow meters also lead to a drop in flow rates at the endpoints. However, both these problems are completely removed in our system because we have a flow meter with a single moving part made out of a very lightweight durable plastic that is compatible with nearly all chemicals in the world. Secondly, the pump that we've selected is right-sized for a discharge of various duties according to customer applications. The fourth part of the system is the dual-stage petrol vending valve, which can be again utilized for both applications involving water-based solvents and also diesel and other fuel oils. The petrol vending valve is a standard two-stage design, which means it cuts off the flow in 2 stages and thus gives you the best repeatabilities for batch values of any size. The last part of any dispensing unit is its delivery hose and nozzle. With this dispensing unit comes a standard 5 meter long hose and an auto shut-off nozzle, which can be used for fuel oils, which is made out of pure aluminum. And there are also variants which come in combined MOCs of stainless steel and plastic, which are used for water-based solvents such as AdBlue or coolant for that matter. The dispensing unit also comes with a standard printer add-on, and then we also have the IoT-based output in which multiple dispensers can be connected to the Internet of Things via our FlowLog cloud service solution. The dispenser also features a remote RS485 Modbus link. So the dispenser can be used as a unit commanded by a master for volumes that are set, amounts that are set, and can operate completely without any manual intervention. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have taken a 10-liter NABL calibrated jar, and we have also set a preset quantity of 10 liters into the dispensing unit. As you can see, we are using a barrel full of diesel, which means this dispenser is now operating under negative suction. This is to highlight the discharge rate of the dispensing unit pump with a negative suction case. So let's start the dispensing. And now that the dispensing is complete, a printed receipt of the transaction can be obtained from the dispenser. And there you have it. That was a demonstration of the transaction of a diesel dispensing unit. And the level in the NABL jar shows the high accuracy that is promised with every dispensing unit manufactured under the Fluidigm Control Systems ban.